Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking places where deleted items temporarily live. Open your phone's gallery and immediately go to Recently Deleted or Trash. This often holds photos for 30-60 days. Once done, check any cloud backup apps you use. Google Photos, iCloud, OneDrive, or Dropbox can mirror your gallery automatically. Make sure to sort by date to find the removed files, then select the images and tap Restore or Recover. This first move is fastest and preserves full resolution when available. If the simple restores fail, stop adding new files. Every write can overwrite deleted photo data. Next, choose a reputable recovery tool that matches your platform and connect the device via USB. Enable file transfer or ADB where required. Run a deep scan. This can take time because the software reconstructs file headers and fragments. Once the scan completes, preview recoverable photos and export them to a separate storage location or your PC rather than back to the same device. Finally, verify each recovered photo opens correctly and copy everything to at least one backup, cloud and external drive. If some files are partially corrupted, don't panic. Try a different recovery tool with alternate scan settings, or consult a professional data recovery service for deeper forensic retrieval. If no recovery works, accept that overwrite likely destroyed the originals. To prevent future loss, enable automatic cloud sync and regular backups. One troubleshooting tip: if scans return nothing, stop using the device and seek specialists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.